The step of manifestation focuses even more on the client-patient taking an active role, meaning that along with the process, the new awareness produced by a sudden or progressive awakening will bring changes in habits of all types, from thinking to eating. Colleges of natural medicine and medical universities must embrace the bright side of the knowledge brought forth by quantum physics, which reveals that beyond matter is a fundamental and transcendent reality of infinite possibilities. The modern doctor, as well as any individual motivated to reach their full potential, should be educated and trained in how to tackle the spontaneous power of healing within. Spontaneous healing is the result of a synchronicity of events that conjugates multiple layers of information. The medicine of the future will be able to acknowledge, through science and technology, the ability to tap into the infinite possibilities brought forth through quantum medicine.